Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the left lower rack roller cover in your GE dishwasher, roll the lower rack assembly out of the dishwasher and take out the silverware basket. Remove the lower rack assembly. Set the rack on a flat surface. Pop the rear and middle front of the roller cover off the roller carrier tabs and remove the cover. To install the new roller cover, insert the tabs into the carrier and snap into place. Set the rack assembly on the door and place in the silverware basket. Slide the lower rack assembly back into the dishwasher.